Hey guys and welcome to another video on this channel. Today we check out two teasers of the new upcoming IZONE single. Did it dance? Did it dance? Did it dance? Something like that. This single is releasing in 2 days, so on the 26th January. Slightly surprising was the announcement, in my opinion. But yeah, IZONE is hardworking. We all know this, and I'm really interested if this will be a typical IZONE song, if you know what I mean. Cause right now I'm thinking that this could be a bit different. If we look to Panorama, Secret Story of the Swan, and Fiesta. It was going harder, but in the sense, it was still the same. So IZONE has that sound, and I'm really interested how much this will be a part of the IZONE sound. If we hear something, I'm not sure. Concept-wise, I'm really interested too, so I would say let's go. Right, and it's for Universe Music. I guess Universe Music wasn't it wasn't it the thing with the concert? But I'm not sure right now. But I guess that was... Okay. I guess it might be not that hard, but that sounds still IZONE. Oh, this thing in the middle, this universe. Oh my goodness! Their visuals are no joke. Jesus Christ. Dance. Okay. I love this universe theme. Oh, yeah, jeez. I mean, they look all freaking gorgeous. I'm just so right on the 26th it will get released, and on the 28th we get an MV. Cause on the 26th, I glaube German. I think there is the concert, right? I'm so interested if this has a story. Guys, visually this is another level. But that's basically IZONE. And it's catchy. This dance is very catchy. Okay, so we'll go to the next one. This is the B teaser. Oh, the choreo. I can already feel it. Yeah, I can imagine the sound of the single. And I will like it. I think I can even love this. Even if I like the harder IZONE a bit more, this is still so good. I mean, who knows? Maybe the singing will be a bit different, and maybe it will. I don't know. I'm interested. Wow, but this will be a song again. I feel a playlisted song again. Like me. And this is the bridge into the hook drop. I'm really interested. I wanna see this. Guys, I wanna see the single. I'm so interested. I wanna hear the single. I hope you guys as well. I'm really interested what IZONE is bringing us there. And yeah. We can already say, I guess we can already say, like we could before, if IZONE is doing a song, and if you like the IZONE sound, I don't think they can disappoint you. But tell me in the comments, what do you think? Because it's kind of different from the latest comics. So, what is your opinion about Did It Dance from IZONE, from the teasers? Or based on the teasers. I'm really interested to hear your opinions. So, yeah. Let's share it in the comments and let's write in the comments. Guys, I hope we see us in the next videos. Bye.